Hi guys, welcome to the OnBrand Podcast.
Hey, ganda.
Ito po. Minamor ta Joïm.
Ano naman din siya?
Ito away no stop by papi over the minosaki ko, honestly.
No. We're just starting off the episode seeing,
Ribbon style is
doing a first like a catch up like we usually do. Just ganda, Joïm. How are you doing? How was your week?
I'm doing fine. My week was tapata okay. No tapata nada. Don't go wow, sabi man. Pero trabajar. And to trying to purba itrare mes con antame, music, etc. It has been exhausting and to I just sabra and it's still tiring. Pero we're out here. I'm in a decent mood. We're very blessed and highly favored.
Amen.
This di na complain.
Yes. Okay.
Kota ko abo Angèle. Kiba si Maki.
Am I a streamer? Because my eyes are twitching. That has been my week.
Bars. That's bars.
That has been my week. I have used that line with my friend before. Please, shout out to this girl. Yeah,
Want to
that's
shout her out?
she knows who she is. You know who you are, girl.
Makarabi notin na gogi.
I'm gonna be pissed.
I'm
gonna be pissed.
She never mentions it ever to you. Just but a while the weeks and then the nada. That would be really funny and also sad for our production because nobody is listening. Anyway.
Yeah. But you better be listening.
See.
Anyways, I'm doing okay. My eyes have been twitching for the last week and more. For no reason. I think it's stress and sleep and rest. So that's how I'm doing basically. Home, school stuff during the week, work. That's really the rotation. And by now, a trailer to out a short film I did
Hey.
last year.
Hey.
Yeah. It was directed by a fellow creative/friend, Nilo. And I will make sure that you guys see the links to see it. And it stars Hillman, good old friend of ours as well. And it was filmed last.
And you.
And me. I'm also in it.
You're a co-lead.
Yeah, I'm the co-lead. We did a small part in the short film.
You don't have a small part. You're the co-lead. What are you talking about?
It's a small part.
What are you talking about?
I'm an extra.
No.
I starred in it as well. And you guys should see it when it comes out. At this point, open the podcast key. The trailer's out, so make sure to check that out and share
It's
it
in
with
the
your
description.
friends. See, it's in the description. Share it with your friends. Look at it 3 times a day to make sure
Facts.
and make us feel that you support what we're making.
Facts.
So that's
Yes.
my bit now too.
Me did the low-key part of it.
See, and did
I
that.
was in the background. I messed around with the mics. I was the boom guy. I helped you with your lines. So from an outsider perspective, you will be saying it's very well done. I think Angèle really killed it. She's an actor.
Oh yeah. I'm like,
Book her.
book me, pay me.
Yes, no, but I'll pay you because she's expensive. She's expensive and she has expensive taste. So I don't know what to tell you.
I do.
What's the most expensive thing you bought in the last few months?
Few months.
In the last, few months. This year.
I feel like I've been very frugal. This year, the most expensive thing.
See. No me that expensive in general, pero me que me coco am I spending this money for this?
I don't have a lot of them. The most expensive thing, maybe shoes, but
Shoes,
I
right.
need shoes. I think that's the most expensive in the last year.
See, punta
Shoes
Balenciaga
and
bago
workout
Madam Polo.
clothes. No, it's not. No, it's New
Right.
Balance.
Alright.
It's the workout clothes and
New
shoes.
Balance. New Balenciaga, New Balance.
New
Anyway.
Balance. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But either way, Shanang, it was a very good movie. It
What
was
is the
very
most
dope.
expensive thing you bought?
Don't
You
ask
asked.
me that. Yeah. Don't ask me that. Because I don't have expensive taste. I mean, not the expensive taste. I think gewoon taste and what I like is what I like.
Quality.
And I don't care how
How
expensive
much
it
is
is.
it? Okay.
I say the code is I don't really, no que eso no me flex, pero si me quedo un comida, I'll really look at the price. Si
Okay.
me quiere, me gewoon compré.
Oh, boom.
That's what it is. So, it costs más expensive como
Come on,
comprar.
baller.
on the low. No, all my money is in the stock market. So I don't know. I have no money. All I have is student loans. And yes, no,
So,
pero ik wil die mas expensive one comprar actually new recording kit that run me like 300 plus euros. En mic
okay.
soto manisha 50 secondo.
Yeah, okay.
So, pero you by
But
the
why
time ko mikaba, di ko ko to record of ko record überhaupt. But by tende a real step up in quality ke kono this. I throw like it's not really about money. Oh, I'm out here blowing bags. It's more like me ke pabotende mane. Oh, he's taking another step up. And is it the plan? Like you gotta do that.
keep
Sí.
upgrading
Yeah.
or improving, you know,
Correcto. Sí.
the
Sí.
quality, the production, the equipment tama that you do.
Correcto.
Yeah, okay.
Which look the look no super man yes OnBrand damage since we're at the
Yes.
freaking since we're already here.
Yes.
Nos time to make some improvements in the near future. So honestly, it's been a very annoying kunos production quality to subiba.
Yeah.
Entonces it's annoying panos como to produce a show, to
It's
do a
probably
show.
annoying for the people watching it.
Exactly.
Of course, it's noticeable. È
Sì,
riparabile.
sì, en mi non gusto come non che panos como over flicky flacky. So man. This say about that. That's gonna be the most expensive thing for both of us, I think, in the next coming months. So gonna stop planning to do. It's not gonna be cheap either.
No.
But I think hopefully we will meet a difference the money quality and to consistency también.
I think commitment to it too. Because nos não saca de nos eigen
Sí.
pockets.
Pockets.
If we didn't pockets. If we didn't
Sí.
really think we want to do this.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's for sure. This but I'm excited about that. But we're gonna make a jump so I think it's gonna be Lady and to no suppose did I just say Lady? Oh,
Lady
God,
titties.
Titties are always Lady, but I say
I fixed it.
yes, thank you. No, but I say me te que nos suppose de nos mes creative endeavors and también. So yeah. Get the most out of it, sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
See. But see, guys, nós tem echt um idea of what the hell we're gonna talk about. However, I was listening to another podcast this week and that was the papi over the blended families que tipo con a.
Oh boy.
She said, "Oh no." No, anto nantata bisa mane. Okay, bambisa mi te pone un scenario pavo anto nós vai wa como te pensa about.
Okay.
You'll be intrigued.
Side note, me echt no sa we didn't practice this. Dus
You don't have to do that. You could just go with
reaction.
it. You don't have to say anything. You just go with it.
Okay. Sí, pero para sa ko no tamani. I knew about the question.
Right. Okay, so bo taba ta vrij un guy of whomever would think vrij. Anto bosan kibra.
Okay.
Pero bosan di un you. In that relationship, bosan ti un you of those you of whomever. Bisa un you. Anto sowieso bosan di co-parent, bosan ti shared custody, toch? Awo e guy ki damit damita. Damit damita anto eting voornemens. Eta voornemens die ting ser un relación con serio. Anto zeker man ko boyu was na you ta melo bij ta involved to elo ta co-parent ta me eigenlijk to some extent die boyu.
Okay.
So eta bij spend time zeker so tata anto señora kita bij te. Mi question ta persona ta parte di famiglia of no?
Mi familia?
Sí.
Not necessarily.
No.
I think tem un level de respect and the boundary met se queda. Depende, I think kung serio nanta de na relasyon, que tipo de relasyon nanting kung leo nanta de na relasyon, you would decide okay, you are also part of this family. You're also helping raise my child. So what I have to trust. Because you're a stable person, okay? Person who por cuida me you también. Then begin, I don't think so. I think a responsibility to lie on the other parent.
Sì.
And si mi do papi ko parent A, not the
Damita.
damita. No.
Damita is hilarious.
We brought the child in together into this world. É porting te zeggen, but not to me.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Sì. Ook mi gewoon best te inventare lo che vuoi bisa. So,
Okay.
I'm my opinion, but I'm just to ask it to you first.
I think temporada pa so no din begin but no pa bisa mani oh this is how I think you should raise the child of this is what Bobo papi call me about it. It's 6 months in and I can't take you seriously yet. A year in that me think build on trust with that new person. Plus, kung my child had deal with that person, na kung a person ay that treat my child. So, tingin na dami ko mani, oh, not me you, not me responsibilidad. Pero, the child is also there at your house. Kung nabasan ta hunto, and me kere, me then person of me then ex, that trust this person enough patini around the child.
So. Is it?
See, there's a lot of layers of trust that has to be built. What betreft ami ko, me ex. Ami ko, me child, ami with the girl. Or this person. See, ex, you know what?
I'm not with this.
I'm not with
I'm
this.
with the van de partij.
See.
Right.
The BLT, you know?
Right. Okay.
So that's me. So that fully makes sense what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to like picture a situation. But what do you think?
Me dá a very interesting question. So, pergunta tá, is this person part of your family? Tem diferença entre que você sente comfortable com ele, você sente trust, que conectura com ele, and você factually a part of your family. I think the answer is always yes.
Okay.
Now, que você trata de família, se você sente a parte da família, se você trust, those are all other things. Those are all feelings. Sabe que, man? It's different. So, você quer etapa, então, parte de família, não que man ko eta bom of malo, eh? It's just a part of the family. De minha cabeça, se você helping raise a child, of me child, you are part of the family. As se me no que, you, so, ora me note, tabos aboko mi casa, of me, aboko mi ex, to base to raise a child. See, all those things are true, but I don't have any input ora enote. Of ora aminote, sorry. So,
Does that make her family?
I think it does. I think it does.
Or di ba mo kasi him? Say, de que say tama do ngorol.
Kiko, se tem nome para não é?
Sí.
No llegué a mitad, un punto.
Sí.
No, pero sí, para mí, so, if I could, eta ayuda, of eta, no ayuda, like uma ayuda, eta involved. So, involved, porta conguta. Eta involved in raising my child or minote, bota parte di família. Bota, so, nota ami sudah bisa raise, nota mi ex sudah bisa raise, no, us three are. And to si ami to mi partner display tame, us four are. So, child to time tawadu shared between the two.
Sí,
now.
Okay, sorry, I'm the cut off.
No, nada. Pero now, a uno estoy kubain stop di kung kiora amita sinti, kumita truste, kiora mita sinti que daadwerkelijk part di família, kiora tu reconhece botin tu razão, pero the moment ku bo ex tem duurzame relationship com a pessoa que está involved, then they are part of your family. And to part of your family, don't necessarily make a gusto of, because I don't like some people that are my family, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't make them less part of my family. So I think it quite a hope difícil, pero I share the same sentiment, Kubo. But I think si bo gaat ervan uit die manier, okay, a persona que está parte de mi familia, and to se bo bij se konan I think it would perspective lot un tiki mas diferente. So bo uitgangspunt un tiki outro. Sabe que man? So vamos. Boom. Dat is mi vrij of net in mi casa, de mi casa, that hopefully.
Bang build the image for the listeners.
Okay, zie.
Abo ta bezig te vrij bisa black name. Abo dus Tasha. Abo ko Tasha de vrij. Abo ko Tasha Akibra. Abo
te preferali tava ta casa com Tasha.
Oh, abo ko Tasha ta
Tasha bad.
ba moeilijk
Tasha bad, yo.
Okay. Okay.
Oops. Bom, se nós talvez saber de que Tasha
Bom,
bad.
sim. Abo ko Tasha.
Sim.
Te casar. Busang have a child
out of the
together.
marriage.
See. This way, Ching Chang must not divorce him.
See.
No
So
longer
grow
together.
apart.
So grow apart, no longer together.
See.
Busanda
didn't take
amical
half
ko
say.
outro eri.
Sim.
Busanda amical ko outro. Busanda co-parent gewoon. Musang kid kuyama
James.
Juni Martina.
Junie Martin. What's wrong with you, yo? Okay. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. See.
But by the club and the butter meet.
Why would I go to the club? What are you talking about? I'm not doing that. I went to church now.
You met a church girl.
Okay.
Kuyama. To be so walk around the house. Maniting ako. Case USB. I am a USB.
I'm a USB?
No. I am give me a name.
Latoya.
Latoya?
I don't know, Angèle.
I am a toy. No, te ko teta mucho minko. I am a
Jada.
Bo. I will go to the restaurant come to be serio. And so you really like her. She brings out a different side of you.
Okay.
You haven't felt that in a while.
Okay.
Abugo Tasha grow apart, but not to feel that. But not to feel important that bo mesturora. So Jada to really bring that out.
Yeah, now we go. See, Jada to really
bring that out. And
is she bad?
Jada is whomever you want it to be. Jada Chiefs.
Jada, no, she's bad.
Well, let's see. So from the Chiefs?
I don't know.
How
would I know?
Jada Mayweather, whatever.
And
then follow her.
You're lying. You are lying. Actually, she's turning whatever color black people turn one day.
No.
Blue.
Blue balls.
What? No. Pensei I'm good Tasha aqui, para você não é blue ball. Okay, okay.
No.
I can't be myself in blue balls.
No, you can't.
You can't.
So I heard with the scientists. Anyways, abugo Jada that we done no serio. Suicide of the family. Oh gosh, suicide of the family. And you really want to be with this person for a long time. You have a child, so you're a man that's bringing in a child. She is a girl with no other strings attached, no ties, has no child.
I have a baby mama.
No, you have a baby mama. Or an ex-wife. A baby mama, ex-wife.
Both.
See. But not, pwedeng layers to it, you know?
No, ma feel bo.
Babe, but an ex-wife.
So the ex-wife não tá marcado mas. Não tá marcado. The baby mama at that point.
No, but okay, but baby mama doesn't. But I don't like that. But
it is my child's mother.
Your exactly.
Which is baby mama.
No, but you don't say that.
No?
But see, that's what someone you want that she was raising
mother,
your child. That's
with whom I was previously married.
See, that is my ex-wife. She is the mother of my child.
See, okay.
We are co-parenting together. It is a snatch. Anyways, but in rato that dating Jada. Porque pa Jada integrada em bombida, right? Which means meeting Junie Martina.
And Junie
Little Junie.
Okay, right.
Little Junie.
It's a number of Junie, so did not number Martina. You're stupid, yo. Shout out to Junie Martina, yo. I don't want no smoke, yo. That's my dog, yo. Stop playing.
Junie, that's the first name that came to mind for me.
So messed up.
Junie ting 5 años. So, Makis 5 times, so he's aware enough. See, 5 años, esta 6, he's a Gemini.
I don't. You could be a freaking frog if I can. I don't. It doesn't matter, but see.
Right. Porque 13 Junie na casa para mim Jada, pero não quer ser letra e lomba de Tasha.
No, of course not. I would never.
We don't want to do that. We don't want to cause problems. Nós não queremos Junie by tattletale. That's what the papi com Jada. Com Tasha, vai com Jada também. Vai com Tasha, vai com Tasha, senão que
Okay, I want the Tasha. What's the conversation?
Bom.
Hey, Tasha, conta.
Isso é o mãe.
No. Mas que não está amical.
Bom. What is the woman's name?
Sim, tá?
Bom, como é Joïm?
Muito bom. How have you been?
de bom. Sa June, te kom sa school. Compras ko na Walmart. Trabaho.
Okay. Wanneer check como manda para você então?
Sì.
Was
Ma por mi dei su
100,000, no?
saving kava, sì.
100,000, sa.
Sì.
Sì. Otto luna, também it's fine.
No problem, it's okay.
Sì. Pero sa, dus, mi tengo papi kubo over the album.
Okay.
Bear with me here.
Oh God, you're breaking up with me? No.
See, that's why we broke up. You always with the jokes. No. No. I'm seeing someone.
Okay.
I've been seeing someone for the past 6 months. Me really, really like her. Me te querer também tá parte de mim. Ito ba tuma parte de mi vida for a long time. Me te querer lisa se mi ke. Anto me te querer siguiente etapa ora que etapa meet Juni.
Okay. Então, depois que 6 luna tá suficiente para trazer para you para conhecer a dama aqui.
Sì, pues mi conexión con esta hopi profundo. Tanto mi meeting trust tinge pa essa aqui.
Que você não conexão tá com bota assim de assim seguro.
Sì.
De dama aqui para trazer para you. Sei que é.
Well, nos pensamento nos morals nos instelling toen tiki aligned, tiki hopi aligned en toen nos tu dosta hopi serio da kante relação. Pero me to komende di kom po portatori houden, pues me suko skuta mi you ta boyu ta abano conoce.
Exacto.
Cheita. Dus, pro me come hace sei, laga nos tres vai have dinner.
Okay.
Pa abo boti film
di ser conocido.
Sì, corretto, paso.
Okay.
Paso ya, bota mama di Juni, anto bota mi ex casa, anto bota parte di mia famiglia. Romantico, qua cava mas dia, pero bota parte di mia famiglia, anto bota importante pa me, anto. A mi cubo tengo responsabilidad número 1 di proteger Juni, anto di lante de un environment kuta safe, anto kuta trustworthy, anto turen kuta de environment me seta trustworthy do di ami abo. Anto mita importante ku a mí personalmente posigi ku relación aqui, Juni também da parte mi vida. Então me se posigi relación en full, anto abo também me seta parte di ese. No getting friction e nana. Dus me no ke abo eure e meet her, anto la nos junto bosa, chop it up, e porta gewoon un rato, of porta no te maken like abo me se me con comfortable bota con papi con nekaba, eta completely down. La nos así ri gewoon bosa, anto eri si boke meet her a few more times, si boke bisa me wado rato, that's also okay. Dus abo bisa me keep the pensage aqui.
Okay, bom. Então nos fase. And scene.
Hey,
Pause.
that was fire.
That was
Nos
good.
começaram a joke, pero
Es serio.
Sí,
But take me by
surprise.
with that. Paso ame piensa, bote bisa mi sina ki, of ame tingo pun trabu, why should I trust her?
Sí, I'm never gonna let you do
And
that.
in fact,
Never.
that's like that. I'm doing it. Okay, but bisa mi nang post nang connection kiki.
I ain't got nothing to do with that.
Ain't got shit to do with me.
Sí, exactly.
This is it. I'm the next question of that. Why should I, the mother, trust her?
Sí.
And how can I trust you?
Correcto.
And they but
No,
here
you
be
can
by
trust me.
surprise.
You can trust me.
See, I can trust you.
But you don't know this chick.
See, but we also don't know what the chick is telling you to tell me.
No, razón. But you also know me. Mito suponemento sempre tampoco. Like,
Sí.
it's also my son.
Sí.
Dang. I don't know about these other dudes, but I'm not like that.
Pero me being Tasha, me know I expect kuba bisami. Oh, let us meet first and to both sample meet again, but I feel comfortable with that.
Correcto.
And number hit me by surprise. And I do
Correcto.
appreciate that.
Yes. Paso, no solamente sa mane mo bisa. Like, eko yung question kutopi valid si bopun trami mane. Si, why should I trust her? Or kibo ta pensa ko. Kim te bisabo. Mi te bisabo tu ko ami te gusto di Jeff. Tu experience na ko ami tinko abonotin yung connection to. And that is not fair. That is not fair. As a mother, you're asking legit questions. To ami te papi ko budi ami.
Oh yeah, I like her.
See, like
It's different.
So we say mi te mane
I
no.
don't care, girl.
We're not about to do that. And to
No.
tambe, to the second the Joïm things. Always think of the next step. Always put yourself in the shoes of someone else. So see, abo bing ku unega, I think you should do that. Abo mister extend me the same courtesy. I also have to meet this person. See,
But
I do not respect and do not a floor, but I will engage the person I'm involved in. We should be able to. You should do the same.
I think Zozo, that's an assumption. But I think the male partner, there's like a level of hesitation of the father and the mom, I think. But se roles into that reverse, ami tame, lo feel. Luminota, I think as me as a woman, Luminota as quick to introduce my kid to.
Become.
They make a best part of it is stigma or stereotype that a woman knows how to take care of a child.
And a man doesn't.
No, a man doesn't. Pero si ta Junie in this case, no, I'm gonna make a best Junie Martinez job. But Junie Martinez pode muito melhor,
I
period.
don't think. See.
See, Junie Martinez pode.
Kide Martina. And Martina not makes sense.
Martina is the name.
What is wrong
That's
with you,
the
you know?
name.
Oh my god. But okay. See.
Ishi Day. Ishi Day. Junie Martina. Si Junie Martina
The
tá.
son. Não sabia se é um son.
Si, isso é sangue.
Would identify as a boy.
Sì.
Sono stava in
Pero-
futuro e la decidi che su pronouns tanta.
Si,
boy.
sure.
He, she.
But either way,
He,
I think
him. Sorry. What are we
he,
talking about?
him.
What are we talking about?
I would sit for that yung way, I would feel some type of way about introducing a new man things.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I feel like as a father tame, the part of the okay, she's being raised then with another man in the house. I don't know this man. I don't know what he's about. Yung other relationship in Nando's tame. There's a lot of lines. But me as a mom, okay, with a woman meeting ang bias. Mas leeway. Ko mi pa doon ang ambad.
Interesting. I think Video hoping I disagree, Kubo.
Vamach.
But so as a man, dang. But at the same time, I understand. I understand, and I think überall bom is a team will guard up. So this person as itong outsider, and to by allowing them into this space, di mane ami abo kunusyu. Whenever we say to be a part of nos familia, pero it noting inherent love or inherent feeling di man taking care of this child. So not as a child. And anyway, yeah, they have a different capacity biologically para say dinamis. Do you know inota come as easy like ponesin to this mito communicate with man. Call me tayo yammer si, pero it is true. It
Yeah.
was also track record di men sometimes. Pero anyway, time is track record
It's
of
not
great.
good. Pero kasi me,
It's all kind of shitty.
kubabi sa 6 months, namin sa no. Of
Not
not
enough.
no, of not, yeah, nothing enough.
Got you.
I think hopefully you'll be okay. It's going great between me and Jada. Just say I would Jada Kibra at a junior to get to know USB cable.
Yeah.
And there's no my bongo USB cable.
Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, Alpro. I don't like that. I don't want the
Mida
kid
is.
to be
Come sa bira
every
style
time
man,
there's a new person in the house. I don't like
dates,
that.
roulette style man sa kada 3 lunas 6
No.
no. Ito ko man I agree.
Necesito ng little brainstorm por understand a concept of dating.
It's not even about understanding. It's also you're an example.
Yeah.
And as much as tuloy na ba day content yung ginang pero there's a difference between abo bida and abo bida and otro na get affected by it. So but child tami reko ita grow up tami tama na onsa tas na kita deal ko hen. So still na kita and I don't think you really want that. I don't think you want that. This mita ins ko bo. Pero mesum ko ba ko amita me like si bambis okay. It rolls on the reverse. Abo to meet Denzel.
Okay.
Sí.
Cool.
Anto kung abo lo approach. Bueno, di ma bome se hasi man no approach porque abo there's nothing manera to go about this. This is the first time one of us started dating after we had a divorce. And action.
Okay. Long papel aparte
No, no está para esse scene. Bang, esse scene, sim. Mas um coisa agora.
Pero a mim Tasha.
Sim, a outra taxa.
Bom.
Kita tu reconnaît como isso. Jada. Sim.
Yeah.
Action. Ding dong.
Contar, não podem. Eu sou da kay.
A mim serve isso abo. That's crazy.
Sim. Mas
know.
sentar no sofá, caso que o balaca nos quer ir para dentro. No,
that is a conversation for a different day. But independent women, get your own money. I'm not paying you a dime. You're not getting nothing from me. That's a fact. Buiten gemeenschap van goederen. I'm not playing these games with y'all. What is mine is mine. I don't know what to tell you. No, I don't.
Okay,
But
no,
also,
about to be na casa, Denzel no te Junita na uma.
Okay.
And the sabi no,
Junior is like a Jenny.
Sim, si ka Jenny.
Okay.
No, mi te kaya papi ko ba di algo.
Okay, sim, sabe.
Manibo sa, mi da basta fry someone at the moment the dating.
You know that's how I say.
Oh shit! What does I say? Oops.
No.
Reverse.
No. Esse tem conversation. You know that's how I say.
Oh, okay.
Com mito supposita.
Oh, okay. Makere. Sorry. Mita dating someone. Correction. Mita dating someone.
Okay.
So now mita Denzel.
Is a famta.
Joseph.
Denzel Joseph.
Sí. Denzel Joseph. Anto, nos tem para luna da frei kaba.
Kita pari luna.
Para luna da 8 luna.
8 luna. Okay.
8 luna da frei kaba. Pero, estava da hobby private. Estava da kubandi get to know each other. Anto, Juni não conheci. Ano me tá pensando de introduzir na Juni, pero me quer kung abo to feel about it as the father of Juni.
Una ba conhecer Denzel?
A work meeting, actually.
Na trabalho.
Sim.
Kiko Denzel lá para trabalho.
Denzel tá um accountant.
Denzel tá accountant.
Sim.
Broadcast nigga.
É um startup também, é um entrepreneur.
Kiko su entrepreneurship that entail.
Solar panels.
Solar panels.
Yeah.
There's no accountant could you start up these solar panels.
Sim.
See. Okay, because those two go together, right?
They do.
It's numbers and solar powered energy.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
Like those two like go hand in hand, like cheese and car seats.
And car seats. Yeah,
Exactly.
they do.
No, pero okay. Dus we kunnen ze dansen naar trabaho. Okay, met de komende. Die kon eigenlijk boeken per Denzel met Juni, worki. Die kon worki, die kon display, die kon pro me.
Para mim, como mama também, me dá que me tu proteger de lo que I'm going through. Para se passa, se nos quebra, se me não feel sure about Denzel, me não quer para mim you mira esse também. Okay. Me you either mira a breakup, me mira me struggling. I don't want them to see that. And this is what we can come in that one space who we're both sure about each other until we think I proceed with him in my life. But this is a big part of that introducing me you my life basically. It's someone who day in, day out I take care of, important for me, and I am a mother. That is a role I have in life. This showing him who I am the last 8 months, that me miss, pero me da also a mom. And he knows that. And I think it's important that he sees that part as well.
Okay. Bota trust Denzel, bota si me mente, to sita boa assunto, pero me kemen bota trust Denzel. No, boa assuntos diz me minuto by pride, like me.
Okay.
Nota me, sa me kemen bota stime gay, like I can't do that. Pero bota great. Pero bota trust Denzel. Kung ami lo po llega na un level de trust Denzel. Mesmo coisa com abo. So tá meio, tá mesmo coisa com o boyu, tá mesmo tanto meio. Dus como te querer abo, por you da ami of kiko meste passa para ami por llegar na level de trust.
Take it out, Mr. Bisam, Kiko, I was comfortable with. Kiko bo una tabolinha ding him bijvoorbeeld not sleeping over. Una tabolinha about their relationship. Una tabolinha as him taking care of Juni Hundukumi. But I think it also would be good for you. Mag this still answer?
No, that has to be yours. But you might still me answer, pero bomes don't motivo ko aboting si.
Oh, okay, well. And I think it would be good for Bosando to meet each other también, but so he is
Fight this nigga, no.
he is a man. And you
Take
are
a see.
take a minute. We all know. He is a man.
Right.
And it say that role ku Junitin Kaba.
Right.
He doesn't need someone replacing that.
No, he can't also, because I am his
can't.
father.
No. I think it's important that Basando time meet, maybe even meet in the same space. All of us together, then for me to comportar time to interact.
Sí. Sí. Ese ita ba mi ami que meet a guy ki, Denzel. Pero ora ito by meet Juni mitam mi que te itam.
Sí.
So ami te sutata.
Sí.
Ami que explique por mi boca que está pasando.
Yeah.
No, abo no te vai explicar, pues abo no te bota biased. Bobo bisa tu regrade ko nang yo bisa tami wa ami te botata, wa ami sa di un persona como mama ta involvi con ne. Bono te vai me tata.
No.
Bote me Denzel. Sabi que man, mi tengo vai pensa como está ainda, pero mi te queres de importante. Pero lógico se mi te contento pabo, como te deu um space caminho vou por posa date anto boda ayo na ko estimabo of ko gustavo of ko tratavo bom. Mi te queres também importante, pues se abo te contento, Juni te contento. Se Juni contento, ami te contento. Dus se mi dá número 1 obi bom, dangi pa bo a fosse varai saki nami, pero mi te quere mane babisa. E mi oko sta po ami ta meet dance riba mi mes. Dus simbo.
Okay.
Sí. Dus
Okay.
botan ami zijn nummer, mi te toma contato con ne, man to man. Se we te bise van de voren of no, pero ami te papi con man to man.
Kila to bo motivo para meet him alone.
Because e po hunga rol ko abo. E no hunga rol ko ami.
Yeah.
Just because when abo don't harm, ami don't harm, right? So ami po size him up.
Yeah.
It's about on his best behavior. No, I don't need him on his best behavior. I need him on his worst behavior. So you must say keep it every day.
Yeah, maar okay. Bom.
Sí. Dus eu irei meet dus nós estamos meet junto, nós três. Nós estamos talk about it, nós estamos talk about it, nós estamos go about it. And then mrs. Sua intention não bago abo. So não também eu, pero também ex-wife sim, então mama de mim, então bom me me está seguro que vai querer ser, so I'm not playing these games. Sabe que
Para mim.
Sí, no pa abo pa bobida, pero pa effect ku bobida ta afecta mi uso vida, and we can't have that.
Sí, pero vamos a decir, okay, this is me as Angèle. Vou pensar, kaya nada.
No.
You're gonna tell me that?
Mi tu vai bisabu e gai ki tata kos. Tabo dis dik bitasi.
Okay.
Pero si mi bisabu, po dis dik bitasi ku bobida, pero si mi bisabu, si abo que se gai ki do problema. That is your thing, but you not bringing him around my child. I don't care what you say. You're not doing that. So mi no pa stop, pero it's going to be a problem. Se gai ki problema. Você me que man? Você me que miren para mim, dus nós está miren mundo, nós está wak, você me que wak sita diferente den nos.
Setting
Sí. Então tudo que não tem que tomar com abo, tem que tomar comigo. Abo bobi vida, me tá contento para me tá hope 100% que gai ki tá great, so there's no good thing ko ami tá saga for the goki. Você me que man? It's only good when it's good.
Okay.
And then nós tá meet inderdaad ku dance. That's the way I would go about it.
Little bit aware. Okay, scene. Little bit aware. I'm talking to him privately, see?
Sí, no, pero okay. Sí, sowieso. Abo, mita supone ku abo ta si due diligence as a mother. Dus mita kere, tu rekono ko bata bisa, pero I have to do that also for myself.
But also, but the kere manier, si bota, so cara, ik kon Cebu, we started dating, we started probably talk about, we sang, oh no, I just got out of a marriage, I was with this person for 5 years, and we have a child together. And yeah, it was just a good relationship until it wasn't, and I really lost myself, and now I'm
dating. It's getting violent.
I'm dating, and I just want to do the best for my mom, for my son. Ita met un preconceived
That is fine.
judgment di abokaba.
That is fine. That is
Okay.
fine by me. I would hope that you told him about what kind of nigga I am.
Yeah.
That is not my problem. I'm just saying, dus mensen passen in stages na aqui, pro me. Also, this is my son. This is the fruit of my loins. I need to protect my son from everybody.
Okay. Go man.
And I also need to protect you to some extent because protecting you also means protecting my son.
Yeah.
And if this nigga sucks and he's not who he's pretending to be, I need to be able to judge. So, a mí, tengo best interest at heart, por mí, tengo best interest at heart. And that's a fact.
Sí, pero what makes you say that?
So, bota take care di miyu, bota mama di miyu. Bo safety, tam you so safety.
Yeah, okay. Go man.
It think so own selfish reasons for to have you, whatever. But something I mean, nothing selfish reasons. Because it's not about you. It's about my son.
Okay.
Don't you, man? And those sowieso, was that no so every time. It doesn't mean that I don't love you. It's just it's different. Something, man. So that's the way I would go about it. Let me say them phases. Let me be respectful, but let me be clear time meeting kiko tapasana because I'm not playing these games.
Okay.
See.
Okay, no, thank you for letting me know how you feel about raising Junior Martina.
And then this way my meet Denzel. No, I my Denzel. Denzel is
Nah,
not.
that is not good.
That's a different episode, guys. How
is not
how would we go about it if Denzel sucks?
See.
Maybe this would be a series. Denzel versus Jada.
Denzel is with Jada. Every time we do parenting questions, we are both not
No
parents.
stabira Denzel and
That's a bit good.
No stabira.
Nos non-parental
So yung
advice.
Angèle and to the ex-wives, ex-husbands the otro and to Denzel ko Jada tabira
No, I'm
antagonist.
Natasha.
Oh, bra. I'm the Joïm of the Tasha for whatever
Sí,
reason.
eso nos no pone pa amin. Nos gewoon kita que storyline ni Abo.
Right.
I'm to Tasha,
I'm
to
still
Denzel,
Joïm.
I'm to Joïm. Mabun trabo sa magkauta name, but
But
no.
nada. Anyway, see.
So-
I was a Tasha, see.
Exactly, I'm to Tasha. No, I just want to be the best one for my son.
For Junior Martina.
Junior
For some
Martina.
reason. To me, found the coffee, but it's to do
Junior
those
Martina, no,
Martina.
yeah, un album DJ, Raising Junior Martina. Oh,
That's
crazy.
fire. That's fire.
Raising Junior
Take a
Martina.
message, eh?
Please, sir, I just put that out there.
I know.
You gotta do it now.
Me, you, no, you, Junior Martina is crazy.
Junior Martina.
So Junior Martina is normalmente Junior Martina.
No, but it's okay.
Anyway, Shanam, let us know what you think. How would you
See,
go about this?
Are you a parent? How would you go about this?
See, and if you're not a parent,
How would you
hypothetically,
go about it? See.
how would you go about it? And how do you think kung nós go about it? Tipo nos parece outro, como tu pensa que nós mistura? What's go about it differently? Yeah. Like, subscribe, share to the canal.
Mándanos un DM, un voice recording. We might play it.
See.
Let
Of
us
the
know
money.
your opinion.
See, but the thing, experience like this.
Sí. Então nos passe tu
You
a
know?
outro angles que portanto não pensa about.
Precis, so we don't have children.
No.
Or wives, ex-wives, or nothing. See?
No. So let us know how you think about
Exactly.
it.
See, Angèle, thank you for doing the little, scene coming, the role play. It was nice.
Thank you.
I catch you off guard, but we spoke 40 minutes about it, so that should
It
be...
wasn't supposed to be an episode.
That
But
shit
here
was
we
fire.
are.
See.
It was good.
See, yeah, that's
Thank
it pretty
you.
much. I've been your host, Angèle.
And I've been enjoying.
Saan sa kaba? Trapa.
Shut up. Bye.
Bye.